Hey guys, so I'm so excited to take you with me to the state fair. We are trying to be eco-friendly and also avoid massive amounts of traffic by taking the shuttle, which picks up from Glendale Mall. It says it's from the Rural Street entrance, which state fair people, if you're watching, you definitely need some signs because number one, this mall's always a ghost town, but number two, we're walking towards a bus that we think might be it. Right, Scotty?
Yes.
So fingers crossed this is actually it and we're not just walking to a random tour bus. So, all right, we'll see you guys in a minute. All right, so they do have a sign in the only parking lot. There's no other signage around the mall. So just for future reference, this is what you're looking for. Alright, about to walk in and experience these new metal detectors. So we made it through. Lucky for us, there wasn't any line at the metal detectors. Really easy to get through. I think after some mishaps last year, those were needed. What do you think about the bus?
It was tight.
It was easy. Everyone was well behaved. AC.
It was clean.
It was clean. Yeah. I mean, given it's day one, but I definitely recommend it. This is cool, guys. Metro PCS has a free phone charging station. So if your phone dies at the fair, go ahead and stop by here. And you can play games too. Also, if you've never ridden the fair tram or tractor or trolley or whatever you want to call it, and you have little kids, this is 110% way to go because you get places quicker and it's easy and it's free. I think. Is it free? Oh, it's $1. Just kidding. $1. Look at all these fun flavors over here.
Is it 5 flat or is it tabs?
No, 5 flat.
5 flat.
I gotta think sometimes.
Okay, I pulled you guys on Instagram and it was between the peach cider slush and the birthday cake milkshake, and you guys chose peach cider slushy, so let's give this one a try. Peach cider slushy, first drink of the fair. Oh, that's good, and it's not as sweet as I thought it would be, so it's really refreshing. Cheers. Awesome news, guys. So last year, Red Fraser Bison premiered their Dirty Hippie Tots, which are awesome for vegetarians. The Brussels sprouts, nacho cheese, hot sauce, green onions, and piled high over a basket of tater tots. Amazing. I loved those, so I'm glad to see that they're still on the menu. So look for this stand. They do have the deep fried Wix sugar cream pie. While I'm not a fan of sugar cream pie, I will say Wix makes the best pies. Like, just down the road, you can find the Piggy popcorn with sweet yum yum sauce. I got all types of good stuff. Right now, I'm on the hunt for, what am I on the hunt for? Oh, here are the dessert nachos. Oh yeah, Scotty, that has your name written all over it. Oh, look at them. Oh yeah, I think I'd go for the Reese's Pieces though, I'm not gonna lie. Yum. What am I in the mood for? I think I want those,
There's a bin soft pretzel type. Those are good.
Those are really good. I definitely need something for dinner though. I don't know what I want. First or second official bite of the fair. Scotty went with the corn dog. How is it?
Oh, good.
Yes, I'm still on the hunt for my grilled cheese, inside out grilled cheese, so stay tuned. So I've always wondered, how many sales do they make from the state fair? If you have ever purchased a hot tub from the Indiana State Fair or any state fair, please comment below and let me know. Look, more hot tubs. I mean, they have to be, it has to be worth it, right? Even more hot tubs. This is Hot Tub Row. Hot Tub Row, y'all. So this was the issue last year, and it's apparently still an issue this year. If you're looking for the deep fried PB&J, See this tiny sign right here? And that's the only thing it'll tell you. Look for this big, blue, blinking sweet truck. That was a crowd favorite last year. It's basically a Crustable that's dropped into batter and then fried to perfection. And I'm not gonna lie, it was pretty good. Oh, look, more peach cider slushies. Yum! I'm actually surprised this wasn't on the list. Look at all of these different bacon options. Bacon s'mores on a stick, bacon mac and cheese, bacon bourbon chicken on a stick. If you like bacon, you gotta be here. So it may not be an Indiana staple, but you have to get cheese curds. Hot, fried cheese curds. You know they're good when they squeak in your mouth. What'd you pick?
Pretzels and peach slush.
Ooh, shoot, I didn't even get a drink. I got some cheese curds. Let's give them a try. Those are good. You gotta try some of this. You got some cheesy goodness too? Bonus in here, they give you these crunchies that if you've ever eaten Long John Silver's Hush Puppies, or I guess maybe it's the fish or chicken, one of the two, these little crunchies, and they're good. Okay, so actually not quite cheese curds, just more like cut up cheddar cheese, but they were still good, just so you know. So this is new as of last year, the Sky Ride at the State Fair. This would be a great way to try to check out all your favorite food spots before you walk the fair. So this is where you can find the birthday cake shake. Look for the big old barn. Looks like they are hopping. We decided to forego the Sky Ride. Seems to be about a little over $5 per ride, so just keep that in mind before you take out some cash. So this is also where you can get the Inside Out grilled cheese. Again, State Fair, please listen to me when I tell you that you need to have better signs. Flag something else going on, because people do not get up to the window unless they're planning on ordering it. Well, night one, and we tried to get the Inside Out grilled cheese from right behind me, and they're sold out. So it's about 8 p.m. and they're all gone, so I'm really bummed. I guess that's gonna be a really hot item at the fair this year, so make this your first stop if you come early. Beer, wine, and spirits. Oh, and it's air conditioned. Hello. Oh, how lovely. Let's see what we have over here. Oh my gosh, they've got a bunch of stuff. So this is awesome. They have all Indiana beer. I believe all Indiana wine too, but this is awesome. Everyone's hanging out over here. Hopefully y'all can hear me. And they even have live music. All right, had to get the corn on the cob. Fun fact, this is the Washington Township Lions Club that are selling corn on the cob. And they are one of the few nonprofits on the property. So if you are coming for corn on the cob, stop here. Indiana. Go. I look at these and I'm so glad I don't eat pork. What a hoss. Look at these piggies. Oh, you're so... We are gonna head out with a nightcap of a delicious elephant ear.
Can I get an elephant ear? An elephant ear?
Elephant ear goodness. And this guy from where we got our elephant ears, the blinking one, told us that apparently there is a booze-infused ice cream that you can get at the Indy Beer and Wine tent, and there's also some type of like alcoholic slushy. What? I missed that. I don't know if I'll be hungry after this, but we might walk by just to give you guys a little sneak peek. Ready to dig in?
Oh yeah.
Let's go. Set this down. Yeah. Oh, it's hot. Woo. It's really hot. Deep fried deliciousness. Thoughts?
Are you more of a funnel cake or an elephant ear person?
I might be a funnel cake person, but with the right topping. What about you? Definitely elephant ear?
Definitely elephant ear.
It's good, y'all. Alright, Scotty just talked me into riding this ride back here. I'm kind of nervous. We'll see. How many tickets? 3 tickets per person?
3 tickets.
Oh, 3 tickets to paradise. Oh, pray for me. Honestly, if you have kids, I'm gonna guess that $30 is probably a deal. Ooh, girl. Ooh, I'm nervous. What's this called? What does it say? Knots?
1001 nights.
1001 nights? Knots. Knots? Oh gosh. Let's hope I have 1001 nights after riding on this ride. This could be my last. I don't know how I got talked into this. Is it coming down? Oh. However, I said I would go on those swings over there. Oh, they're not up. That thing though is frightening. You could always go on these. We survived. Look at my hair. Top of the world. As Scott said, you haven't done the ride. You haven't done the fair until you've been on a ride, eaten some fair food, and looked at fair animals. We did it. So that, my friends, is the fair. I would say we had an amazing time. We ate almost everything that we wanted to eat. Saw the animals, rode some rides. Good to go. Only tips for my fair-going friends would be to bring some cash and some card, because we found that it was kind of like 50-50 between the vendors who only took cash or the ones who took cards. Plus, if they do take cards, sometimes they charge you extra. What else? Oh, tons of police presence this year. More than I've ever seen, which was really cool. Definitely felt safe, didn't feel like there were too many people or anything crazy was going down. Gotta love the fair tunes. Other than that, make sure that if you are really after trying one of the food items that's on this year's fair list, that you have a map before you go. There's also an app. Unfortunately, you can only search by vendor. You can't search by like nachos or corn dogs, so keep an eye out for that. My only tip for the people who run the fair is put out bigger signs. I know y'all have zero problem selling inside-out grilled cheeses, but I think that the vendors would really appreciate more awareness as to, you know, hey, that's this on this year's new food list. So thanks guys for having me. Special thanks to the Indiana State Fair, and I will see y'all later. Bye.